Good morning. I'm determined to get some work done today, so I have a notebook with a little to-do list written on it. I do have my base makeup on, and I'm going to film an eyeshadow bingo using all my Urban Decay eyeshadows. So I'm going to film that now and then start my day from there. So I just finished filming that video and I wanted to make myself breakfast. I'm really obsessed with yogurt parfaits lately. They're filling, they're delicious, and in my mind, they're healthy. So I have some yogurt already in my bowl. Normally I just use plain unsweetened yogurt and then add a little bit of honey to it. But this time we got vanilla flavored. It does have a lot of sugar. It's already really sweet. So I'm not gonna add any honey. So I'm adding some slices of banana and then some raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna sprinkle some granola. And that's what it looks like. This is so delicious. I eat one of these like every day, it feels like. Okay, so I have this empty candle here that I'm trying to repurpose into a makeup brush holder. And if you can see, there is a little bit of wax on the top here. I'm sure there are multiple ways that you can get the rest of the wax out of candles to repurpose them, but the way I do it is, yesterday I just took some hot water from the Keurig and I filled this up, and as the water kind of hit the wax, it melted it, and then it would all bubble up to the top. And if you can see, this is like a little disc sitting on top of the water. So I'm just gonna take this little disc out, and it's pretty much most of the wax that was in the bottom. I know one way you can repurpose this leftover wax is if you have like a wax burner, you can put it in there and melt it that way. So there is like some charred marks on the side of the container and a little bit of wax still left in the container, so I think I can just wash that out with soap and water, and then I'm gonna use hot water and soap to get this little sticker off. Okay, so yeah, some hot water and some soap did the trick. I might have scrubbed a little bit too hard because some of it is coming off, but whatever. I was able to get the sticker off, but if you can see, there's still quite a bit of sticky residue there. If anyone has any tips on how to get that off, that would be greatly appreciated. Even if I can't get it off, it's still fine. It still will do what I want it to do, which is hold brushes. Perfect. And really quick, I did just want to repress this highlighter into another pan. I'm having trouble getting product around the edges there, and if you can see, I don't have a lot left. So I'm gonna scrape it into this empty pan here, add some alcohol, and press it. I do have a video on how to repress powders, and then I just put out a video a couple weeks ago of how to repress a loose powder into a pressed powder, and it's pretty much the same thing, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. Okay, so I did make a bit of a mess because I was rushing a little, but here is what it looks like now pressed in the pan. Something I had been wanting to do for a while, and I'm glad it's done. It's going to make it way easier to use up. So let's look at what I have so far on my to-do list and what has been done. I can cross off the first thing because I filmed my Urban Decay bingo video. I repressed my Wet n Wild highlighter. I repurposed my candle holder. And the next one is laundries, whites and towels. I did already finish whites, but towels are still in the dryer. And everything else I haven't done, so I can't cross anything else off. So I'm gonna take a little walk to a local like post office mailbox and turn in my absentee ballot. I don't want to show you because it has like my information on it. I don't know what is going on in other states, but in Pennsylvania they did postpone the primaries, I think, to June 2nd. And I was starting to feel a little uneasy about how things were going to go with voting in person. I wasn't sure if it would be safe by the time the primaries came up, so I did apply for an absentee ballot a while ago. I applied online, it took like 2 minutes, they sent me a ballot in the mail, and I think I might just do mail-in ballots from now on if I'm able to, because it was super easy and it's a lot more convenient for me. All I had to do was fill out a paper and then mail it back. James is waiting for his ballot to come in the mail. He applied a little after I did, so he'll vote whenever his is available. So we're gonna walk over and mail mine, and I guess this is just my little reminder to vote if you can, and also try to find a way that is safe for you and that you think is the best method for you. let's cross a couple more things off the list, and I'll try to make sure it doesn't go out of focus like the last time I did this. So I folded the towels, so the laundry is done. I haven't cleaned out my backpack yet. I haven't worked out yet, but I did mail my absentee ballot. I answered YouTube comments. I scheduled a couple Instagram posts. So that is what I have crossed off so far. We're making good progress. This is what the third shirt change of the day. I was really cold this morning, so I threw on a sweater, and then I got really hot, so I threw on a tank top. We're kind of at that time of the year where it's cold in the morning and then hot during the day. I'm gonna go work out. I'm finishing up the second week of Couch to 5K. I think I just Googled Couch to 5K, and then I found a program that I liked, and I just saved the PDF, and I just save it on my phone and check it off every day, and probably do some other sets, working some other muscle groups. I don't really know a lot about working out, so I don't have like a routine. I'm really just trying to get my blood pumping, and I like the Couch to 5K because, number one, because it's free, but also because it has like really easily digestible goals. So every day it tells me what to do, and then I can cross it off. I can actually finish it and have something that I've completed. And I think after I finish Couch to 5K, I'm gonna find other programs like that just because it's the best for me. I'm not exactly known for my iron will and self-discipline, so having something like that works really well for me. So let's look at my to-do list. Let's see what I've done so far. Okay, so I've cleaned my beauty room. That's done. I cleaned out my backpack, and I'm about to go work out, so I won't take that off yet. As for this bottom one, laundry, I have another load in the dryer. I'll probably just grab that on my way back from working out. I didn't cross off everything off my list, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. And I think I'm gonna leave you guys here. I think this is gonna be the end of it. I'm going to go work out, and then I'll probably come back and shower, and then we'll have dinner, and then I'll probably just spend the night spending time with James and hanging out. I don't feel like this was like the most exciting vlog, but my friend Hannah has been telling me that she's really into vlogs right now and that I should do more. And because I'm not really going out or doing anything like most people, my vlogs are mainly just me getting stuff done around the house. So if you have any ideas of something you'd like me to do in a video, even if it's just like a regular video idea or something to do in a vlog, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you're having a good time and that you're staying safe and sane and that you and your loved ones are well. But in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.